Why did she bring up the discrepancy in the report? And basically, let's say we're at work and someone decides to start talking about an issue, something that was wrong in a report. Now, this phrasal verb, bring up, what does it mean? It means to mention, to talk about. And so when you bring something up, you're discussing it. Maybe it wasn't necessarily the topic that was supposed to be addressed or discussed, but you're choosing to make it that topic. So you're bringing it up. You're talking about it. Perhaps someone else doesn't want it to be discussed. 2 cents. What does it mean? When someone says they're giving you their 2 cents, it means they are offering their opinion or their thoughts about a situation or a specific topic. So you could be talking to your friends and they are talking to you about a relationship. Maybe you're considering entering into a relationship with someone and you're trying to gauge to figure out whether or not you should. And your friend says, you know what, I don't think he's the greatest guy. You could do better, but that's just my 2 cents. Meaning, that's just my opinion. You can take it or you can leave it, but I'm just telling you what I think. So that's what it means to give someone your 2 cents. All right, so for today's lesson, we're going to talk about the phrasal verb hash out. Hash? Like hash browns? Like potatoes? No. When someone talks about hashing out something, they're saying to figure it out, to talk it through, to discuss, to address. We commonly use this when we are either having conflict with someone or we anticipate conflict occurring. You have a roommate and lately your roommate's been acting really weird, doing some crazy stuff, and it's gotten to a point where it bothers you. So you say to them, do you mind if we sit and talk about some things, discuss some issues, some topics that need to be addressed?